Jobs that AI can replace. In our ever-evolving digital age, artificial intelligence, AI, has made remarkable strides, permeating nearly every facet of our lives. From self-driving cars to virtual personal assistants, AI has demonstrated its capacity to outperform humans in various tasks, leading to concerns about the potential displacement of human workers. However, amidst this technological revolution, there are certain professions and roles where AI's capabilities fall short, and the irreplaceable human touch remains paramount. Healthcare and medical professions. Doctors and surgeons. The medical field stands as a quintessential example of the intricate interplay between technology and human expertise. While AI systems have shown remarkable proficiency in diagnosing diseases and even assisting in surgery, they are incapable of embodying the essence of human medical professionals. The practice of medicine encompasses far more than data analysis. It requires a profound understanding of the human condition, an empathetic bedside manner, and the ability to communicate complex medical information in a compassionate and reassuring way. AI might aid doctors, but it cannot replace the reassuring presence of a physician who combines medical knowledge with empathy, offering solace and hope to patients facing health crises. Nurses and caregivers. In healthcare, the roles of nurses and caregivers extend beyond the administration of treatment and medical procedures. These professionals serve as the compassionate anchors in patients' journeys to recovery. AI may excel in monitoring vital signs and medication schedules, but it cannot replicate the emotional support, companionship, and empathy that nurses and caregivers provide. The human touch and the ability to form meaningful connections are irreplaceable in nurturing the holistic well-being of patients. Mental health counselors and therapists. The realm of mental health is an intricate landscape of emotions, experiences, and human vulnerabilities. Mental health professionals, such as counselors and therapists, rely on their uniquely human capacities to build trust, discern emotional nuances, and adapt therapeutic approaches to the individual needs of their clients. While AI-driven tools can provide valuable insights, they cannot replicate the empathetic understanding, active listening, and personalized guidance offered by human professionals in this field. The delicate art of healing the mind hinges on the intricate bond formed between a therapist and their client, a connection that AI cannot forge. Creative and artistic endeavors, writers and poets. The world of literature and creative writing is a testament to the profundity of human expression and imagination. Authors, poets, and storytellers craft narratives that resonate with the depths of the human soul. AI-generated content may mimic human writing to some extent, but it lacks the inherent human experiences, emotions, and cultural insights that breathe life into literary works. Writing is an art form that emerges from the tapestry of human existence, and the indomitable human spirit continues to inspire and move readers in ways that AI cannot replicate. Visual artists and painters. Artistic expression is an intrinsic facet of human culture, with artists painting canvases that reflect the intricacies of human emotion, culture, and societal evolution. While AI can generate art, it lacks the intuitive and emotional essence that defines human creativity. Painters infuse their works with personal experiences, perspectives, and emotions, creating art that resonates on a deeply human level. The act of creating art is an expression of the soul, and AI's mimicry of artistic techniques cannot replace the soulful connection that viewers establish with human-made art. Musicians and composers. Music is a universal language that transcends boundaries and communicates emotions on a visceral level. Musicians and composers channel their emotions, experiences, and cultural influences into creating melodies that stir the human heart. While AI can compose music based on patterns and algorithms, it lacks the depth of human emotion and the capacity to innovate in ways that reflect the ever-evolving human experience. Live performances, for instance, are a testament to the unique connection between musicians and their audience, where each note resonates with genuine human emotion, a connection that AI-generated music cannot replicate. Complex decision-making and ethical dilemmas. Beyond the realms of healthcare and creative arts, there are domains that demand intricate decision-making skills and ethical judgments, areas where human judgment, empathy, and moral reasoning stand as the bulwarks against potential misuse or harm. Judicial system and legal professions. The legal system, with its complexities, nuances, and ethical dilemmas, relies heavily on human judgment. Judges, lawyers, and legal experts evaluate not just the facts but also the moral and ethical dimensions of a case. They interpret the law, assess the credibility of witnesses, and make decisions that have profound implications on people's lives. Human judgment in legal proceedings often takes into account empathy, context, and a deep understanding of human behavior, qualities that AI lacks. Social work and human services. Social workers, counselors, and humanitarian aid workers navigate a myriad of human experiences, from trauma and grief to resilience and hope. Their role is deeply rooted in empathy, active listening, and understanding the unique circumstances of individuals and communities. AI might provide data-driven solutions, but it cannot comprehend the depth of human suffering or address the intricate web of emotional, psychological, and social challenges faced by vulnerable populations. Teaching and education. Education is not merely about imparting knowledge. It's about nurturing young minds, fostering curiosity, and instilling essential life skills. Teachers inspire, motivate, and adapt their teaching methods to suit the learning styles of individual students. While AI can facilitate personalized learning, it cannot replace the mentorship, encouragement, and emotional connection that teachers provide. Effective teaching requires intuition, adaptability, and the ability to instill a love for learning, qualities deeply rooted in the human experience. The future of work. Embracing human-AI collaboration. Embracing the future of work, it's crucial to recognize that the synergy between human ingenuity and artificial intelligence holds immense potential. Rather than viewing AI as a threat to employment, society can leverage these technologies to enhance human capabilities, augment decision-making, and unlock new avenues for innovation. Human-AI collaboration fosters a symbiotic relationship where AI systems handle repetitive tasks, process vast amounts of data, and provide insights, allowing humans to focus on what they do best: empathizing, creating, innovating, and making ethical judgments. By harnessing the power of AI, we can augment human potential and address challenges that were once insurmountable. The intrinsic human touch. The essence of what it means to be human is intricately intertwined with qualities such as empathy, creativity, adaptability, and emotional intelligence. These qualities are the bedrock of professions where the human touch is irreplaceable. While AI and automation undoubtedly offer invaluable tools and assistance in various domains, they remain tools that augment and complement human capabilities rather than substitute for them. As we navigate the evolving landscape of technology and work, it is imperative to recognize the enduring value of uniquely human qualities in professions that require empathy, creativity, and the capacity to navigate the complexities of the human condition. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.